Fetch AI at the time of this recording is attempting another bounce back to the upside after an aggressive sell of yesterday after the FOMC meeting, and you can see that we have continued to hold above our key area of support above the 0.95, and you can see that we are now attempting another bounce back to the upper side. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, and also give you that possible breakout scenario to the upper side, basing my analysis on the Elliott wave structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. Before I dive deep into the technical analysis, I want to state that I'm now in partnership with BTCC, and you can see that BTCC is giving my crypto community up to 10% deposit bonus on all deposits above 500 USDT. And that means that if you create a BTCC account today using the link down in the description box and make a deposit of more than 500 USDT, you're going to get a 10% deposit bonus for free. And that means that if you deposit like 600 USDT, you're going to get 60 USDT as a deposit bonus. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create a BTCC account today using the link down in the description box. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the highs we made above the 2.2, where we started an impulsive retrace to the lower side, where we first saw the formation of this wave 1, saw a bounce in the formation of this wave 2, another impulse to the lower side in the formation of this wave 3, a wave 4 bounce back over here, and after getting the high for this wave 4, we continued to push even lower in the formation of this Elliott wave count 5, whose minimum target areas I have been giving you by connecting the fib extension from the high of that wave 1 to the low of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of this wave 3. And on so doing, I have been saying to you that my minimum target area for this Elliott wave count 5 lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.715, an area that we are yet to fully maximize. And for us to fully maximize this area over here, then I need to see Fetch AI losing support above the 0.95, flipping that key area back into resistance. And the moment that plays out, then I will expect a nuke to the 0.715 to fully maximize our target area in the formation of this wave 5. And the moment that plays out, then I will be expecting a larger bounce to the upper side. I have also been saying to you that if our key area of support above the 0.95 continues to hold, there are chances that we can bottom out in the formation of this wave 5 around that key area of support. And if that plays out and we continue holding above support, there's a chance that we can easily start another bounce back. And if by any chance we manage to break above our key area of resistance above the 1.162, flipping it back into support, and maybe also see an impulsive bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure, confirming that we have a low in place in the formation of this Elliott wave count 5, then I will be expecting a larger bounce here on the Fetch AI chart. And since we have continued to hold above the 0.95, there's a chance that we could have a low in place in the formation of this wave 5, and this 5-wave structure to the lower side is now complete, and maybe we can term this as a larger Elliott wave count 1. So we can term this as a wave 1, and there's a chance that we can get a bounce back in a wave 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fibs from the high we made above the 2.2 to the lows we made below the 0.95, and we get a minimum bounce back target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382, and that is between the 1.426 and the 1.72, which is the blue target area that I have marked on the charts. So in case in the next coming hours we continue to see some strength in the market and maybe manage to break above our key area of resistance above the 1.16 and also get that impulsive bounce in a 5-wave structure, then this is the area that we need to pay attention to. But if by any chance we continue seeing further weakness and lose support above the 0.95, then the 0.715 is my next breakdown target area. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Fetch AI to follow for the next coming days. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.